what's up guys? So I am in Tokyo, yes! So the reason why I'm in Tokyo today because I'm going to the Tokyo Auto Salon and I'm so excited because this is a super last minute, but here I am. And I have a special guest who picked me up from the airport, which is like super funny. I already see his car, he just bought a new car. So I'm gonna show you guys now. お疲れ様です。おー、お疲れ様です。マーチ。ニューマシーン。
セカンドマーチはサードマーチかな。
サードマーチ。お久しぶりです。
お久しぶりってでも。
そんなそこでもそこまででもないっていうはい。今日はとか日本語で喋っちゃった。Okay, today I'm here with Taka and Shaheen. Okay, so we are gonna go to Tokyo Auto Salon and I did actually bring them a gift. So this is my hoodie that I'm wearing, the Hiddenpalmtree hoodie, and this is for you too. Thank you for picking me up. ありがとうございます。Okay, so now that we meet up with them, we're gonna head to Makuhari Messe, which is about maybe 40 minutes drive from here. Yay! Very exciting. Alright, let's go.頭が出てこない。あ、シャヒン君はめっちゃ似合ってますよ。ダボダボでいい感じいい感じ。アメリカでこういう人いる。アメリカの感じ。So it took a while for us to find a parking lot because obviously it's like packed. Like everyone's parking everywhere, but we just parked right here and they changed it into my Hiddenpalmtree hoodie. So we're all wearing the same thing and then we're gonna head out now. Guys, look at this RX-7. Oh my god. 足立。足立ですね。めちゃめちゃ綺麗ですね。It's so clean.
OK です。Thank you。
来た来た来た。
あ、
来た来た来た来た来た。楽しい楽しみ。We're here. Yes, we are at Tokyo Auto Salon 2024. There's a lot of people, but we want to go to one of Taka's friend that's gonna be at Origin booth, which I'm really excited about. I'm hoping that I get to see Nomuken-san if he's in there. Really hoping for it. Yeah, so we're gonna head inside now. So. We're here at Good Gun. They're doing a little like lottery, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try one time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna win anything. We'll see. So yeah, you have a chance to win like seats, steering wheel, and like some of the items that they have. Good Gun is like, I don't know, in Japan it's pretty popular, like among a lot of drifters. Pink! 黒い。はい。ありがとうございます。やった。
はい変態同士ということでありがとうございます変動の種類でいろいろ
I'm gonna do the origin level. This is a raffle. 하즈레 2つ. ありがとうございます。おお、やった。
Make a move. Let you know. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. You know it's me, you know that it becomes so true. There ain't no hope for me, it's only you. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of girl that I should make a move on. Something could be going on. You know it's me. Something could be going on. You know it's me. Something could be going on. You know it's me. Something could be going on. You know it's me. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of girl that I should make a move on. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of girl that I should make a move on. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of girl that I should make a move.
Alright, so we're in Shibuya now and we're at the car meet. Oh my god, there's so much cars. I'm so excited to show you guys because it's gonna be like a real life Tokyo drift. Let's get it!
If you know that it be Tokyo. If you seen it, then you mean it, then you know you have to go. Wonder if you know that it be Tokyo. If you seen it, then you mean it, then you know you have to go.
らっしゃいお待ちどうさま喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうリスナーの VIP
Many, many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money, we strangling.